Most of you have been asking how I upgrade or color grade my images or my designs on Snapseed. So in this video I've decided to run a small tutorial using Nosarex's picture. So now what you are going to do if you are using your Snapseed, so if you don't have Snapseed on your phone, you just have to go to Play Store and download it, or you go to App Store and download it. So I already have it in my phone, so I've opened this Nosarex's picture that I want to use as for this design. So the first things you are going to do is to click on that place you are seeing that pen icon. When you click there now, it will take you directly to where you have all your tools you can use to edit your image. So now just click on it. You can see we have different tools. So we have the tune image, details, curves, white balance, crop, rotate, perspective, expand, selective, brush, healing, HDR scape, glamour glow, tonal, contrast, drama, vintage, grainy screen. To the end we have frames, you have lens blur. So all these tools are tools you can use to apply to your image in order to make it looks beautiful. So now in this tutorial we are going to color grade or increase the quality of this actor's picture. So the first thing we are going to do is to click on where we are seeing that tune image. Now we want to tune the image to the way we want it to be. So just click on tune image. Now immediately you click on tune image, it will take you to this place where you have so many ways you can color grade or increase the quality of your image. So what you're going to do is just to click on this place I just clicked. Now you see brightness, you see contrast, you see saturation, you see ambience, you see highlights, you see shadow, you see warmth. So all these ones are where you can color grade your image. So we'll be starting with the brightness. Now if you can see that brightness is on 0. Now if you click or just touch your hand on the screen and move to the right, it will increase the brightness. When you touch your screen and move to the left, it will decrease the brightness. So let's try it. You can see how it's increasing the brightness while this side is decreasing. So now let's just try to edit this image by increasing the brightness to 24. Now we've gotten that. So we'll click on contrast. So increase the contrast to something 15. While the next one is saturation. Increase the saturation to 5. While the next one is ambience. And decide to leave the ambience on 10. While the next one we have is highlights. Let's let it be on -30. The next one is shadow. Shadow should be something like 60. So that is it. While the last one is warmth. How this one works. So I decide to leave our warmth on -7. So this is how you can use Snapseed to edit your image or your designs to your desirable taste. So after you have edited or you've modified the image to the tune you want it to be, you just click on that check mark to save it. Now you can see that everything have been effected on the image. So now you can just click on that pen again. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on details. Now when you click on details, it will take you to this place where you have your structure and your sharpening. Now the first one is the structure. So let's click and see how it will Now you can see the structure has increased the clarity of the image. So that is how it is. When I click there again and click on sharpening, so you can decide to increase the sharpening to, let me say, 65. Now you can see how the image is now looking very sharp. The image is now looking very sharp. So that is how we edit our images or our flyers after designing before posting them on social media. Yes, this has been done. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, do to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, do to give a thumbs up to this video and stick to the end of this video. Thanks.